I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact portal where you booked. That centralizes control. Enter your passport and DS-160 confirmation to retrieve the appointment record because the system matches them. Once retrieved, choose Cancel, not Reschedule, if you truly want to free the slot. Make sure you understand whether a cancellation is permanent for your case. Some systems allow rebooking without extra DS-160 fees, while others require a new application. You will see a confirmation flow. Select the appointment, click Cancel, and confirm on the final page. Read any warning text before you commit. After confirming, immediately save the cancellation ID or screenshot with the visible timestamp because proof matters if disputes arise. Then monitor your email and the portal. Processing can be instant but may take up to 24 hours, so don't assume it's done until you receive confirmation. You finish by verifying the cancellation appears in your account and by saving the confirmation email. Retention for at least 90 days is wise. If the portal errors or the slot still shows booked after 24 hours, call the consulate or visa service center. Provide passport number, DS-160, appointment ID, and screenshots so they can manually clear it. If you paid a service fee, only request refunds after you have written cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.